Good morning, Standard 5. Children, today we are going to start our third chapter. What is third chapter? Formatting and editing in Word. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to talk about formatting and editing in MS Word. Okay. So as you know, MS Word, it's word processing software. Okay. Word processing software means software which helps us to create documents, text documents. Okay, it helps make document with official look. Okay, so there are several features in MS Word which helps us in creating official documents, text document. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to see about the formatting and editing features of MS Word. Clear? Okay, so open your page number 26, third chapter, formatting and editing in Word. Our first topic is what is formatting. So children, formatting, it's a process. Formatting, it's a process of MS Word in which we decorate text. Okay. Means we can change the appearance of text. We can beautify text document. Okay. That process is called formatting. Okay. So Home tab, Insert tab, you know about these tabs. Home tab, Insert tab, Page, Layout tab. In these three tabs, there are various options which helps in formatting. Okay. So I already typed here text, what is formatting. Okay. So all of you know we can format it. Okay. I'm going to do this. Now for formatting, first of all, Home tab. This is Home tab. Okay, I'm taking camera closer to it. Home tab. Well, if you can see, okay. And here is font group. It is visible. I hope it is visible to you. Now, here, this is bold button, italic button. Okay, italic button helps in making text little slanting. Okay, bold button will make text little darker, and this U, this is underline button, which helps you to underline the text. Okay, now where Calibri is written, no, this is text style button, font style. So by default, whenever you will open your MS Word program, no, so by default it will show you Calibri font style. Okay, but font style can be changed. Various options are here. You can see I clicked, and this is drop down menu which showing you all these options of font style. Clear? Then next to it there is font size button. Okay, by default it's showing you 11, but when you click this, okay, and drop down arrow comes, so this numbers are for resizing the font. Okay, font means letter. So, and this is font color button. This is for highlighting. Okay, subscript, superscript, this is for strike through. Okay, strike through means one line will go through the text. Okay, and this is for decreasing font size, and this is for increasing font size. Okay, here this button, it is for changing case. Case means here uppercase to lowercase, this way. Okay, So these are buttons. Okay. Formatting, if you want to clear text formatting, so it can be done through here. This is clear formatting button. So this is font group. It helps us a lot in formatting. Clear? And this small arrow, if you can see here, rightmost corner of font group. Okay. When you click this, no, it shows you font dialog box. Okay. So this is font dialog box launcher button. This button is font dialog box launcher button. Clear? So from here also, font style can be changed, bold, italic, whichever you want. Size can be changed. Color, font color button, underline style, which type of underline you want. Subscript, superscript, everything is here. Okay. So formatting can be done through this font dialog box. Okay. This is another option. Otherwise you are given here font group. Okay. So let's see how can we format. Okay. So one by one we will apply these buttons. First of all, for formatting, no, we need to select text. For selecting text, you know, there are various methods. Either you can do through mouse, okay, drag mouse over the text, so text will be selected, or you can do with keyboard, shift, here, see again, press, place your cursor beginning of the line, hold shift key and keep pressing right arrow. Okay, so one by one all letters will be selected. Clear? So first of all, text should be selected. Then one by one we will apply all these. So this is bold button. Okay. This is italic, little bit slanting. Okay, text will be slanting. And this is for underline. Okay. If you click on this small arrow, so it will show you different styles of underline. Clear? What type of line? I'm taking camera closer to it. You can see different styles of underline. Okay. And underline color is also given. First of all, I have selected this one. Okay. And its color. So underline color, here is the option. Okay, whichever color you want, suppose red or green. Okay, so green is not visible. Red and red will be visible. Okay. Then font size. Font size. Here is font size. Okay. So from here you can change font size. Okay. Font color, if you want to change. So suppose this blue. Okay. I hope you can understand. Okay, so this is formatting. Okay, highlighting, if you select text again. So text can be highlighted. This is highlight button. Okay. Click here. So you can see it is highlighted. It can show you different highlight colors. If you want to select in different colors, no? So it was selected earlier, so it had taken this color, but many other colors are there. Okay. So highlight button, font color button, these are formatting. These are used for formatting. Okay. Understood? Font group. Font groups, this group helps a lot in formatting. Now next group, it is paragraph group. Here you can see this is paragraph group. Okay, in this paragraph group there is bullet button. Okay, this is for numbering, and this is for left align, center align, right align, justify. Okay, line spacing if you want to increase line space, font shading if you want to shade, then border if you want to make border around the text, so can be done. Okay, paragraph. This is for sorting, A to Z or Z to A, it's for sorting. Okay. So these are some formatting buttons. For these are indents. These two buttons are for indents, increasing indents and decreasing indents. Means space between the text and the margin. That space is called indent. Clear? So indent, that space, can be increased and can be decreased. So paragraph group, it also helps a lot for formatting. Okay.